Here is another example how dangerous it's become now to drive, especially in intersections like this. The car went through the yellow light, the other car on the other side made U-turn, and as you can see in the video, police officer was here at the intersection, and he pulled over the car that was doing U-turn. Let me know in the comments, what do you think? Why the police officer pulled over the car that was making a U-turn and not the car that went through the yellow light? I would like to hear from you guys. And if you're gonna be in any situation like this, as you can see, my car simply just stopped and stop completely when the light was changing. And the best part that, as you can see in this video, the student driver simply saw the signal of the pedestrian signal, and it helped him to slow down smoothly and not to go through the yellow light and not to be pulled over by the police or to get in the situation like you just saw a few seconds ago. So I would like from you guys, simple, let me know in the comments who was wrong and why the police officer actually pulled over the car that was doing a U-turn. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in my next video.